On deck, Dustin Robin. In the hole, Tom Brand. Looks like this angle starts something they want to try here, ladies and gentlemen. The second truck in a row to do it. It works for the lifetime. What do we do here for Jake Gaynor out of Jackson Center?